I'm Kenzie, your host for this episode of Seeking Snowledge, the show where the Snowledge crew chases winter and all the adventures in between. Winter has started, and for this episode, we headed out to Colorado. With fresh snow and lifts spinning, we explored a new resort and ran into an old friend along the way.
Good morning. That is Wolf Creek behind me. They've had one of the best openings this season, and it's cold right now, but let's go get Kenzie up and go skiing. It's gonna be fun.
We're gonna go explore the mountain, and for our first day of the season, it's pretty amazing. Pretty stoked on these old paper tickets. Small resorts still have them. Great for the memory books. Love it. Took the first chair up. It's Raven Chair, and we're at the top, and there's a beautiful looking groomer over there. Because it's the first run of the season, it's definitely a good one to warm up and get the ski legs back under you. So let's go check out this groomer. Snow is really good. There's a bunch of fresh snow on the sides, under trees, and very little rocks, which is really surprising for this time of year. So.
Wolf Creek definitely seems like it'd be a rad spot to learn to ski or snowboard, but that also means it's a really nice place to just practice those basics.
Out in the middle of Colorado, run into nonetheless, but our good friend Dave Bruce, who is a fellow freeride skier.
Heyo! I just happened to have some time off between my work, and I'm storm chasing to Wolf Creek, Colorado, where they have the most snow in North America.
So he's been here the last 3 days. He's gonna show us around some of the spots that he's found over the last few days.
Yeah!
Bruce is taking us out to the double blacks here. See what we can find.
We just got on the Alberta lift, and it is far looker's left, which is taking us up to the left-hand peak or left-hand corner of the resort, and we're gonna go explore all the way over to the boundary.
This quick little boot pack, and then we're gonna take a stairway up to the ridge, and we're gonna ride down the ridge till we see a run that we wanna shred.
Day one hiking. I didn't know about this. Let's see how the lungs and the legs do. Apparently we're going to almost 12,000 feet, so it's gonna be a burner. There's a reason this is called Alberta. Just peaks on peaks out here. Some of them look good for skiing, some of them not so much.
Alberta chairlift, and the lifty put up a sign that said cat skiing's going today. So we just rolled up to the cat skiing operation, and here she is.
It's a 67. I have no idea.
67 was a strong vintage in cats. How dreamy was that? Dude, how fun was that? The rest of the season can live up to this. I'll be stoked.
Well, Wolf Creek turned out to be one of the hidden gems. I was super surprised how much terrain there is, and it was actually really good. There's so many steeps and rolling hills and trees and jumps, and there's a bunch that I definitely want to come back for when there's a little bit more snow and kind of that midwinter snowpack. But man, this place is really awesome, and I was super fortunate to get out here and have such good early season snow, and it's only the start of November.